Yes, we have Toyota again. And we have the Rav4, the smaller version of the Grand Highlander. The best little car you can buy for under $400,000. And you're gonna get the O-ish handles out. I'm gonna show you how to do that. With your handy dandy pick, be very, very, very careful. It is 99 degrees out and the plastics are soft and it gave out to me very easily. If it's colder out, be careful, all right? This is the locking mechanism. Watch this. So you remove this guy, right? That's what it does. This locks it back into place. So these sort of snap out. So slowly working both sides, enough to get your hand in there and pull. If you got strong enough hands, I would just say, hey man, just grab it and pull. But I don't think you can do that. I think there's a clip of some sort that would probably prevent you from doing that. All right, I use the pick, up to you. Now with those, I'll show you. Uh-oh. You just pull these out. Now, these are a pain. They're not that bad, but they're doable. So watch. If you pull this out, right, you're like, uh-oh. Do not push them in. You'll be lost forever. That's not really true, by the way. You have to take everything back out, pull the rubber out, get your hand back there and fish them out. So, leave them in there. You ready for this? We're gonna squeeze them. We're gonna squeeze them with both hands, using one tool with this one, and one tool to help pry out with this one. So what you're doing is you're grabbing this. Let's see if you can focus. Grabbing that, squeezing it, and hopefully it comes out. Let's see if it'll... No, I want to use both hands because I know this needs to go flying. That's what you want. You want to grab them fully. See? Focusing. Hey, nice legs. Alright. Same thing with this. Just want to grab them. Taking a risk here. Taking a risk. See? Kind of a pain. You gotta pull them out. There you go. It's like pulling teeth. Now, with them out and back in your hand, take this guy back. You ready for this? I'm gonna put them back in. Check this out. That's what we want. We want to squeeze. Put them in the actual plastic so they snap in place. See? It even snapped for you. That's what you want to see. That's what you originally saw. That's what you want to see. Now, easy part is just push them back in. There you go. Snap. Snap. And there you have it. Take your plastics, appropriate covers, rounded side to whichever side is appropriate. The center is a little, like a clip, goes right in the center, lined up. As long as it's lined up, it should just pop right in. There you go. Same with this. Right, you got this side. You're gonna push and done. Done and done. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.